we're always there for the life of the product. So once product has been installed, last handshake took place, we're not going anywhere. We're still here. This is the hood wall on East Mary. This is how everything started in production. So these are the drafting plans that are ready to be sent to the CNC to be cut.
The advantage of working with Solle is that we have everything under one roof, and as well, obviously there are little hiccups here and there, just like in everything else, because production is a different animal to begin with. But having control over each aspect of each step of the process and each aspect of production allows us to pivot and to be able to rectify it faster than if we had to outsource any of our services or product.
So you never start drafting plans or production plans off ideas. You start the design plans off photos or ideas. But then the drafting or the production plans have to start from design plans. So this is where you can play with all the dimensions very easily. You can modify everything. And once you have it drawn the way you want it to look, you start putting measurements on it, and they're so much closer to reality. And then those design plans, or the pretty plans, how I call them, you take them into e-cabinets where you do the drafting plans. So Chief Architect is a design software. It's an architectural software actually, but we're using just a portion of it because it's so powerful and you can work with it so fast. We're using it only for design. And also another thing that's super cool with this software is that you can generate photo quality renderings. So you can get a three-dimensional look of the space that you're working on, let's say a kitchen, and you can generate from different angles photo quality renderings, which help the client understand better the flow or the look of the space. Everything is being controlled by us, from the cutting, the assembly, finishing, and prepping for delivery and install. And if there's any questions during the manufacturing process, again, the design and drafting department is in-house. Any questions can be easily answered on the spot. Oh yeah, and in case you forgot, we offer design, manufacturing, delivery, and installation, all in-house. I'm going to show you how intricate the handle is. It's a very cool design. I'm going to show you how intricate the handle is. It's a very cool design. It has a black base and then the golden actual handle. Comes with a flathead golden cover, let's say, that needs to be screwed from the front of the handle, and then you're threading this through it. But the problem is that this does not go through the hole that I just drilled, and it has to. So what we're doing now, we need to enlarge the front part of the hole for the handle to fit that. It's not part of your regular handle installation, but we don't do regular stuff, so The projects with Solle Solutions are turnkey projects, so that makes it very easy for the client. Any little hiccups that might happen along the way are very easily addressed in-house. So the experience for the client is very smooth.
So the powder room has a nice line wash on the walls that continues on walls and ceilings. So we're very big fans of keeping everything consistent in terms of coloring, everything in the same tone. It has a fluted panel. It's actually a drawer for some storage, so it's more than just aesthetics, it's functionality as well. And a super cool counter, very thick, built up to, I think it was 5 inches, with the wall-mounted faucets, which just pull everything together, the brass wall-mounted faucets. Kitchen area has on opposite sides the feature wall with the I think it was oak. Yes, it was oak, with the oak wall, slatted wall, and the built-in like stone bench, and that stone was absolutely phenomenal. And they did a leathered finish on it so that it has no sheen and just texture. And it just complements the beautiful grain of the oak perfectly. And then the color is the same as the kitchen to tie it all in together. And the kitchen has some very cool details on top of the oak and the stone. Has the fluted panel at the back of the island and the fluted hood casing that just add a little extra texture. Along the countertop that has also a built-in sink in the same material. So it's fancy all around. It's becoming, I see that it's becoming a trend, and I've been on this trend train for more than 5 years now. I first experimented it in our house. I love color drenching rooms because, to me, I mean, especially coming from Eastern Europe, we don't really have this thing of white ceilings. I find that doing a ceiling white sort of takes away from whatever other vibe you're trying to achieve. It just interrupts the flow of the room. So I prefer to color drench everything. Creates, like I said, more of a mood and a vibe than a space. We actually had the doors custom made and designed for the space. So they have multiple elements combined. They have an arched top shaker. They have a bottom fluted panel recessed into the shaker frame. And they have a custom finger grip handle, basically. Therefore being very, how should I put it? A very well put together wow factor.
Since everything has been designed and manufactured in-house, any questions that they might have along the way, the answers are just one phone call away.
The bathroom vanity is floating to sort of give the impression of a larger space. We always like to do that in spaces that would otherwise look too closed in, I guess. And that is a showcase of basically elegant elements between the built-up counter, the applied moldings on the walls with the beveled mirrors inside of them, the fluted tub that is sort of continuing the fluted design of the doors in the master built-in. So everything in that space, it's just an ode to elegance, I guess.
If there's any discrepancies between what has been planned and what's actually in the space when the installation starts, it's very easy to address for us because we have manufactured the whole product start to finish. So adjusting it is just a little tweak for us.
The walk-in closet is just decadence, I guess. It's floor to ceiling. There's a combination of drawers and hanging, long hanging, short hanging. There are beautiful brass frame glass doors. There's LED lighting. There is just space for everything. And I have a feeling that it's, although we call it like a his and hers, it's going to be more of a hers situation because it just allows for everything to be so well displayed and so well showcased. I just have a feeling she's going to take it over.
In case you forgot, we offer design, manufacturing, delivery, and installation.